meal preppers, Paul coming at you here today. Amy is actually out of town on a conference for work, so I took it upon myself to make some very colorful dishes. These actually turned out very well. I'm very happy with them. And if you ever heard of the term of winging it, I definitely winged it today. So, but right here, I've got 3 dishes. What I wanted to do is not use the oven again because it's still so, oh my gosh, hot here in Texas. And so I've got 2 dishes right here that got, actually this one, you don't even have to warm up. It's the cold salad. This is cod with a cold salad as well. So I wanted to have a little cold side dish instead of one that you had to heat up. But starting over here, I've got a Buddha bowl, guys. This is a sweet chili lime chicken Buddha bowl right here. And what it is, it's got a baby kale and spinach mix on the bottom with some purple cabbage, some quinoa, and also got a little red pepper and pineapple on top. But the chicken is just cooked with a little bit of salt and pepper and garlic, and then we whip up this awesome sweet chili sauce. It's got coconut milk, the sweet chili paste, some sugar, some some vinegar, and you just let that. I garnished mine with some red pepper flakes. I was going to put some in there, but the chili paste is good enough. And you put the sauce in there when the chicken is about done, and you just let it coat it and just let it sit, let it thicken up. It's nice. When you make these, or when you get ready to eat these Buddha bowls, I would put a little bit of soy sauce in there, mix it all up. I kind of wish I mixed all the ingredients first and then put it in the bowl. So that might be a great way to go when you guys make this. Over here, I've got an amazing balsamic steak, and it cooked up very well. I let it marinate for as long as I could. And then I still don't have my grill, so I used the skillet, 4 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other, and you can see it turns out this nice pink color inside. I made this chickpea and cucumber feta salad. I also got some tomatoes in there, and that's going to be, again, nice cold side dish on the side. You can heat this up, or you can eat the steak cold. It has a tremendous flavor. Oh my gosh, it's a little balsamic and Worcestershire Dijon flavor. It was super good. I could just eat all 4 of these plates right now. And over here, we've got a cod with a basil sauce. And simple, you just cook up these tomatoes with a little basil and garlic. And then we threw some basil and, what else was in there? No, it was just straight up basil that we threw in there. Let that cook so that the tomatoes soften up and break down a little bit. Meanwhile, sear some cod, and then you put that on top. And then I've got on the side some broccoli and peach, and I put shredded carrots in this one. I've made this before with Cuke, with cucumbers, but this time I put shredded carrots in there and some feta, and then just put oil and vinegar to taste. And great little side dish to this, so I can't wait to eat that. Guys, beautiful. I mean, look at all these colors. It's totally amazing. Can't wait for you guys to try them out. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Again, let us know what you like and give us some requests. All right, take care. Bye.